another Slim K SLOWDOwn.
Oh my God! Who has come up the house looking like that? I'm gonna turn up on the salon that did her hair like that. What were they thinking?
I don't get it.
Go back. Try again, boo-boo. Try again, boo-boo. Ew. OMG, what do she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong. Cause she rich. Give me the phone. I'm finna take this helpful picture. Cause she ratchet. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. You know you ratchet. Cause I got time for this. I'm too grown. Ratchet. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. He ratchet. Ooh, what you wanna punch her in her face? I can't stand her. Oh, she's too fake. Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr. Girl, a baby boy, and it came sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club. I'm in the middle of the floor with no shoes. Where's I had to get cute today. Apple bottom jean fur boots. I had to get cute today. Apple bottom jean fur boots. I had to get cute today. Apple bottom fur boots today. I had to keep it looking good, baby. That a just made bail. He a thug, shoot today. New baby, need new shoes today. And child support check here too today. Got my tracks yesterday. Hey girl, did you get the call? Gone be feet up. Move, trail. It's the fit. And I got my food. Gone be feet up. Move, trail. It's the fit. And I got my food. Gone be feet up. Move, trail. It's the fit. And I got my food. Steps got a brand new piercing. Brand new tat. $95 for this weave. Tax. Been a thing, go while I spank my thumb. No red hat, this cake alone. Let's let the track off the back of a rat that's whack. If she ever talk a smack, if she thinks you wrong. Whatever, she a lie. My number, blah. Ooh, here she come, girl. Shh, big quiet. Hey, girl. How you doing? Get it. Turn around, let me see who did your suing. Okay, we'll talk to you later, girl. OMG, what do she have on? Ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong. Cause she rich. Give me the phone. I'm finna take this helpful picture. Cause she ratchet. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. You know you ratchet. Time for this, I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. Ratchet. Ooh, what you wanna punch her in her face? I can't stand her. Oh, she's too fake. My name is Emmanuel, but my girlfriends call me Corey. The club is free before we 11. Pre-game, then we party. Yes, I am the baddest, but you can't have this boo-boo song. Yes, I am the baddest, but you can't have this boo-boo song. Yes, I am the baddest, but you can't have this boo-boo song. Kosher is my future baby daddy. Maury got my jersey dress on. Jordan Hills match my press on. Team dark skin. We don't like them red bones. Duck lip in my pick. New heavy got grip. Hit me up on Facebook. Follow me on Twitter. Team flip phone. Team Chris Brown. If she don't shut it up, then it's team shut it down. I'm team bad chick. Team with your man. If got a lot of money, then this team he paying. New camera phone go zoom, click. You know what that mean? Boom, pick. You already know throwing do. Sits with my booty on the sink too. Thick cup hits be line trick. That ain't you. And even if it is, you ain't cute. That's a red hair trick. That ain't true. All that you're on, them ain't rules. OMG, what do she have on? Ratchet. Her lace front is all give me the phone. I'm finna take this hell for picture. Cause she ratchet. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. You know you ratchet. Got time for this. I'm too grown. Ratchet. Boy, pie. Now with them shoes on. Ratchet. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, she too fake. Ratchet. Hold on.
Wait a minute.
Who you looking at like that? I mean, what you wanna do?
She ain't looking at you like that.
She ain't. The nails do come
She ain't
on.
about that like, step,
Pause.
step,
Pause.
step,
Pause.
step.
What you wanna
You
do?
about that now, step.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. What's up?
Whatever.
What's up? Whatever.
right one.
Whatever.
You got the right
Whatever. Whatever. She right.